Hello, good day, and welcome to Joso. My name is Ishi Nabrife, and today I'm going to show you how to insert a dedicated SIM card into your R50 data logger. And just for the purpose of this, always ensure that whatever SIM card you want to use inside your data logger will be a permanent SIM. You will not have any need to remove it once it is placed inside the data logger. So this is my R50 data logger. This is my SIM card that I'm going to be using for the data logger. So first things first, you go to the back of the data logger. This is the SIM compartment. So you take your screw and lose the nuts holding the SIM card compartment. Always ensure you're careful not to miss any one of the screws. So there's one more underneath the latch. There's one more here. So in total you have 6 screws you need to remove. Then once you remove the last one, you would have access to the SIM port. So this is where you place your SIM card for your internet connectivity. So you remove your SIM. So it can be any network, but you have to choose the one that is more suitable for your environment, so you won't have to be changing SIMs whenever the internet service is down in that area. Right, I have my SIM and this is my data logger after unlocking it. So on the data logger there is an image showing the direction you should insert your SIM card. I have placed the SIM inside the data logger and now I have to carefully screw it back. So now I've successfully placed my SIM and locked the SIM compartment for safety. So you can turn on the data logger. So you can see we are connected to our mobile data and we have signal there. So now we go to our Survey Master app and connect to confirm that we can work on the SIM card and let it connect.
Device connected. Rover.
It's connected
PDA cores.
to our receiver, and you can see it's already tracking satellite. You go to Rover, you add a PDA course, change to course, then you put in the IP address, the source list. This lets you know that it is working from the SIM card because, like I said, no Wi-Fi is connected to the device. After successfully adding our PDA calls, we can start, and as you can see, it is connected with just the SIM card as our internet source, and we're waiting for it to connect so we can have a fixed solution and we know we are good to go. So now we have a fixed solution and we are good to go with our internal SIM card. So that's how you securely insert a SIM card into your Cyanogenesis R50 data logger. Thank you very much and have a great day.